Good morning, everybody. How are you today? It's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life I have a Glossybox for you. This box right here is a beauty and makeup subscription box. It is $21 a month, and I flip-flop on this box. Some months it's really good, and some months it's just okay. I've never gotten a box that I just hated, and so I'm really curious to see what is in this month. Last month's box I really enjoyed, so let's get to it. I love the actual box that it comes in. This one is for fall. It's really pretty. It's got the fall leaves on it and colors, and I love that their boxes, when it's, you know, special for fall or Valentine's Day or Christmas or whatever, that you can reuse this box. It's nice and sturdy. Wrap it up with some wrapping paper and you're good to go. A great way to reuse your boxes. Alright, so first thing I see in here are just some little coupons for HelloFresh and some wine. And then they always come all nice and wrapped up with some pretty ribbon. Try not to be too loud. Alright, first thing that I am noticing about the box, I'll show you, is that there is no pamphlet this month. This is actually the second time I have opened a box this month and I have not gotten a pamphlet or a price sheet, so we've just kind of had to wing it. I prefer not to wing it on stuff I don't know what they are, but we're gonna go with it. Before I do get started, I just want to say welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I do all kinds of unboxings and lifestyle videos, including vlogs and decorating. I have one or two more Seattle vlogs that I'll pop up here in an iCard for you. You can check that out if you're into travel vlogs. And Mike and I, my husband, are going to be starting a reno project in this house. I live in a very old house. It was built in 1900, and so once a year we have managed to knock out a reno project, and this one is going to be kind of a big one, so I'm really excited about it. So if that is kind of your thing, then stick around, it's coming. All right, first thing I'm pulling out is by Novex. It's a deep hair mask, and this is the packaging. By Mystic Black. Let's see if it's got a, that's what the inside of it looks like. No kind of safety seal or anything. It actually smells, it smells kind of good. It kind of smells like the salon when you've just got your hair colored, you know, which is kind of good and kind of like that chemical-y smell. So I'm not sure how I feel about that smell, to be honest. If I can get the top back on it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to read this because I do not have my glasses. Apply on slightly wet hair, massage, leave it on for 3 minutes and rinse well. So this is something you can keep in your shower. The next thing that I see here is by Real Chemistry. It's a luminous 3-minute peel for instantly smoother, brighter, softer skin. And the back of it says, this is not a mask, this peel is clear gel. Peel upper half of face and then start over and peel lower half of face. Spread gel thinly over damp skin and with damp hands, perhaps in the shower. Apply light to medium pressure, 15 to 20 seconds. So I guess you do half your face and then the other half. We'll see how this works out. I'll let you know. It kind of sounds like one of those ones that might hurt. And I'm not into all those masks that are kind of painful. All right, next thing in here is by Ardell. I have heard of this brand before because I've had their lashes. And it's called Wispy's Fiber Building Mascara. don't really, well, I say I don't really need a mascara right now. I might actually, because the one I'm currently using might almost be out. But it's a nice black package with red writing. That's kind of nice. I won't open it, of course, because if you let the air get into your mascara, it'll go bad quicker. So there gets that time going. And it is in jet black. All right, so I'll hold on to this and try it out. See how I like it. Today on my lashes, I'm using the Trustique, and I really do like it. The only thing I don't like about the Trustique one is that it's a little large. Like, it is a humongous package, you know, bottle. Is that what you would call it? A bottle? I don't know. But, and so I think it's kind of awkward a little bit to hold. I got all these little thingies, so I'm having to dig in here and see what's in here. Next up is by Lord & Berry. It is a Maximate crayon lipstick. And the color is Intimacy. So that's the color. Right there on my hand. A little bit like what I'm wearing today, which is one of the Disney Villains ones. I can't remember which one it is. But it feels kind of dry when you put it on, but maybe it will be easier once it's on lips. I always do a lip scrub, and then I do put moisturizer on my lips, so maybe that would make a difference. All right, and then I have one more item in here. I wish I had a table over here. I should probably put one closer. It is Style London Velvet Touch. It is a palette. It's some nice fall colors there. So, my cup of tea. There it is without the, see if I can do it without bright lighting you. Alright, I'm trying to decide if I want to swatch it. I don't think I am, just because I have a ton of other palettes that I'm using right now, and so I might just throw this in a giveaway. Yeah. So as a recap, I don't have any idea what this box costs because there's nothing in it, like the contents, but I think it's supposed to be, you know, $100 or more. So we have the palette, we have the hair wax, or hair mask is what I'm trying to think of. The Lord & Berry lip crayon, the mascara by Ardell, and then the Real Chemistry mask. So let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of the November box. Do you think it is worth the $21 price tag, or should I move on to something else? And you know, if there's another beauty box that you would like me to try, let me know also in the comments, and I will look it up and try it out for you guys. Any kind of beauty box, skincare box, lifestyle box, whatever, I am more than happy to try them out if you'll just let me know which ones you want to see on my channel. Alright, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out. Also tap that notification bell so you get notified of all my future videos. And I'll see you in the next one.